Let us solve the next problem from mechanics and properties of matter. So the question tells that an incompressible fluid is flowing through a vertical pipe, height h and cross-section area A0. A thin mesh having an end circular hole of area AH is fixed at the bottom end of the pipe. The speed of the fluid entering the top end of the pipe is V0. The volume flow rate from an individual hole of a mesh is given below. That is, we need to find the volume flow rate from the each individual hole of the mesh, right? So before going to the answer, we need to draw the schematic of the problem. So the schematic, we need to draw the pipe. Okay, draw the pipe. So this is the pipe. In bottom there are mesh pipe structure. So the pipe is filled with water. Right. So the liquid is coming with velocity entering. The velocity is V naught top, and this pressure is P1, and this pressure is P2. This height, let's say this as the origin, so H1 equal to 0, and this, let's say this is the top, H2 equal to H, because this height, we know that it is H. So from the Bernoulli's equation, we can write that P1 plus half rho V1 square plus rho G H1 equal to P2 plus half rho V2 square plus rho G H2, right? So we can easily compute that P1 equal to P2 equal to P ATM. So both this one and this one are close to the atmosphere. So P1 and P2 will be the atmospheric pressures, right? So P1 and P2 will be the atmospheric pressure. So, and V1 for the above will be V naught, and V2 for the round one will be, let's say, P dash, right? And height H1 will be H, while H2 will be 0, right? Because the total height of the pipe is H. So from here, we will able to, from this equation, so from this equation 1, we can tell that the this P will cancel, this will be 0, and only that, and rho from each term will be cancelled. Rho from each term will be cancelled, right? So we'll be left with B dash will get as B naught square plus 2GH. Okay. So the V dash will be given by this expression. Okay. So now we'll apply the continuity equation across these two ends, means across the, that was the outlet from the inside to the outside, right? So here the cross section area of the pipe is A naught, right? So A naught cross section is A naught, right? Into it is having velocity of V, right? And is going through the n number of small mesh. So n into A H into V dash, right? We need to find dV by dt. Then it will be A0 n into root over V0 square plus 2GH. 2GH, right? So the volumetric flow rate from an individual mesh hole will be given by the option. So the option A of your problem is our correct answer, right? Hope it is clear to everyone. So thanks a lot.